Where do you exercise in winter? The most popular products for indoor cycling. Let me introduce you. West Biking indoor exercise bicycle trainer products can be mounted on 24 to 27.5-inch MTB and 700C road bikes and are made of steel, magnets, and engineering plastic. You can feel secure when you're riding a bike. In particular, one of the product's biggest features is its 6-speed wire control resistance system. You can adjust the resistance without getting off your bike, making it easy to control and train your momentum. Assembly is not difficult. It can be easily assembled without the additional tools included in the package. And the foldable design is convenient to store and move. I would like to introduce West Viking's indoor cycling trainer rollers. This product fits perfectly for cyclists who want to improve their balance and adjustment skills. The foldable design makes it easy to store and the aluminum alloy construction ensures durability and longevity. For cyclists who want to stay in shape and improve their skills during the off-season, the West Viking cycling training roller is a great option. Its sturdy construction can withstand intense exercise, and its foldable design makes it easy to store when not in use. It utilizes magnetic resistance to allow home training. Compatible with both road and mountain bikes, it is equipped with a cycling roller function. Related products include other bicycle trainers, bicycle accessories, and sporting goods. Enjoy effective exercise at home with West Viking's indoor exercise bike trainer. It consists of steel, magnets, and engineering plastic. Weighing around 6 kilograms, it is suitable for cycling indoors and outdoors. The sturdy aluminum alloy construction can withstand intense movement and easily fold and store when not in use. It is made of aviation aluminum and engineering plastic, and weighs about 7.36 kilograms. The ride platform can withstand a load of 150 kilograms. This roller is well balanced, stable, and has a noise reduction design. It also has 3 levels of self-resistance, which allows you to adjust the intensity of your workout and freely fold and store it when not in use. It can theoretically withstand a load of 150 kilograms, with an additional 5% off purchases of 2 or more. Indoor cycling training rollers are excellent products that are compatible with all kinds of cycling software. With the free PowerFin, users can experience many classic routes around the world on their bikes. What's more, the bike trainer automatically adjusts the resistance according to the slope of the map. After receiving this product, you only need to install the cassette, and if you have any problems installing it, the product provider is providing one-on-one technical instructions. Furthermore, YouTube has a professional video tutorial provided by ThinkRider's official channel. Enjoy effective exercise at home with West Viking's indoor cycling training roller with these various functions and conveniences.